Hello students, good morning to all. Yesterday we discussed the question answer of section C. Total 7 questions were discussed yesterday. Today we will discuss the section D and then we will start a new chapter for all of you. Okay, so now we are going to discuss all the 5 questions included in the D section. Yes, beta. First question. Why was the scientist wandering in the streets? वो जो साइंटिस्ट था ग्रिफिन वो स्ट्रीट्स में एमलेसली क्यों वेंडर कर रहा था, क्यों भटक रहा था? What was the reason behind that? The scientist invented a drug that could make the body invisible. The owner, the landlord of the house, did not like Griffin and he wanted to eject him. That's why Griffin set fire the house of the landlord and ran away from there. He took off all his clothes and became invisible, and he was wandering in the streets of London. This is the answer number 1. Now we are moving to the second question. And what is the second question? What did Griffin do in the theatrical company? थिएट्रिकल कंपनी में ग्रिफिन ने क्या किया? आफ्टर running away from the landlord's house, Griffin took shelter in a theatrical company where he stole various things. He enjoyed delicious meal there. He attacked the shopkeeper of the company and he robbed him all the money and he ran away from there. Okay, this is the answer number 2 for all of you. Now we are moving to the third question. And what is that? Why did Griffin leave London? London was a very cool place, cold place. It was very chill there. Griffin was invisible on the account of stealing at the theatrical company and he did not want to stay in London where he could be easily caught by the police. That's why he decided to leave London and he went to a place called Epping and he took shelter. He hired a room in the local inn. Okay, this is the answer number 3. Now we are moving to the fourth question. That is an important question. Why were the clergyman and his wife surprised? जो clergyman था और उसकी जो wife थे, both of them were surprised. तो ऐसा क्या हुआ जिससे कि वो surprised थे? Okay, a strange thing occurred at the clergyman's study. Money was taken out from the desk. The noise or the chink of money was taken out was heard by the clergyman and his wife, but when they opened the door, they did not find anyone in the room. The room was completely empty, yet the money was taken out. That's why both of them were surprised. Who took the money? Who stole the money? It was an amazing or strange thing, unbelievable thing for them. This is the answer number 4. Now beta, we are moving to the last question of this section. And what is that? What happened when Mr. Jaffer tried to get hold of the scientist? मिस्टर जेफर जो कि कांस्टेबल थे, तो वो उनके साथ कैसा हुआ? मिस्टर जेफर was informed by Mrs. Hall and his husband about the eccentric scientist, about his capacities of becoming invisible. When the constable came, he was completely surprised because Griffin took off his clothes one by one and he became invisible completely at last. Now the constable was struggling to get hold over the griffin, and he could not think what should be done by him. These are the 5 questions have been discussed by us today. आप सभी को इनको कंप्लीट करके अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में लिखना है. That's all for today. Have a nice day.